Lyft driver bonuses are not guaranteed, and two drivers in the same city can see completely different offers on the same day depending on demand, timing, and account activity. By the end, you'll know how Lyft bonuses actually work in 2026, what Lyft looks for before showing you promotions, and what you can change to increase your chances of getting them. Lyft bonuses are basically short-term promotions that the app uses to push more drivers into specific areas or time windows. That includes things like streak bonuses, ride challenges, and peak time boosts. Each one is tied to demand, which means Lyft only activates them when a city or zone needs more drivers. This is why you might open the app and see bonuses while another driver sees nothing. It's not random, but it is constantly changing based on location and demand patterns. To qualify for most Lyft bonuses, the first requirement is having an active driver account in good standing. That means your account is not under review or restricted, and you're cleared to accept rides normally. The second factor is consistency. Lyft tends to show more bonus opportunities to drivers who are actively accepting rides and staying online during high-demand periods. If you only log in occasionally, you're less likely to be targeted for promotions. Location also matters a lot. Certain bonuses only appear in specific zones like airports, downtown areas, or event-heavy neighborhoods. If you are not physically in those areas, the promotion simply won't show up in your app. Another key factor is timing. Bonuses are most commonly pushed during periods when Lyft expects rider demand to spike. That includes commute hours, weekend nights, and major local events where ride requests increase faster than driver supply. If you want to increase your chances of getting bonuses, the simplest move is to stay active in the app during predictable high-demand windows instead of waiting for notifications. Drivers who consistently position themselves in busy zones tend to see more promotional offers over time. Another practical step is to avoid long gaps in activity. When your account is regularly active, the app has more data to match you with bonus zones when they open. So, the key points are simple. Bonuses depend on demand, your activity level, and your location. They are not fixed rewards, and they change constantly. If you want more consistent access, focus on staying active during peak hours and positioning yourself where ride demand is highest. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of how rideshare apps actually work.